this. All right, so we're going to start at the top. And it says, determine the number of solutions to each quadratic equation. What part of the quadratic equation do I have to calculate in order to tell me exactly how many solutions there are? Under the square root. And what is that called under the square root? The discriminant. So we're going to find the discriminant. First of all, is it in the correct order? It is. So I'm going to label this. What is the b? Minus 4 times. Anybody have any questions on that? Okay, so what do you get? 129. Calculators, folks, let's go. 129. Okay. So over there for your answer, do you see where it says discrim? What do you think I'm going to put in there? 129. So that 129, does that tell you there's 2, 1, or no solutions? 2 solutions. Now, is 129 a perfect square? No, so there will be irrational solutions. Everybody all right with that? Okay. Number 2. Is that one in the right order? Okay, so let's find the discriminant. All right, what's the b? Good. Just one? Everybody else get just one? Okay, so 2, 1, or no solutions. 1 is positive, right? And is 1 a perfect square? It is, so this will be rational. Yeah, the square root of 1 is just 1. All right, one more like that. How about this guy in the right order? It is, but it's missing a part. This is the A, and this is the C. Minus 4 times. Okay. Negative 60? 16, excuse me. Okay. So what does that mean for my solutions? No solutions. So then what type would I put in there? It's a trick question. You're not going to put a type in there because there aren't any, right? Okay. You can just leave it blank if you want. Or yeah, you can put none in there again if you like. Any questions there on that top portion? No? Okay. Now it says solve by using the quadratic formula. Approximate answers to the nearest tenth if necessary. So I do ask you to find your decimals if we do have irrational solutions. Okay. So how about the first one? Is it good to go? Okay, what are you going to do? And notice that 4 can go with the 7. And was that a 3 I heard? Okay. Now we're in the right order. The first thing you need to find is your discriminant. Okay. $16. Well, that's nice. Why is that nice? It's a perfect square. All right, so now we're going to fill in the rest of my formula over there. What's the b right now? But you're going to make it plus or minus what goes underneath the radical all over 2 times what's the a? Okay. What is the square root of 16? 4. So notice there is no more square root over that 4 because we took the square root. What is the 2 times 4 in the denominator? Okay, so here's where you're going to grab your calculators. -8 plus 4. -4 divided by 8 is -0.5 or -1/2. Whichever way you'd like to write that. Now we're going to find our next answer. -8 minus 4. -12 divided by 8, -1.5. Which is exactly what you would get if you put this on Desmos and checked it. Questions here, folks? Okay, how about the next one? So what will that look like then? Good, I like that he put that in the correct order. Everybody have the negative sign in front of their 9? Yes? Okay, first thing you have to find is the discriminant. So hold on 1 second here. All right, now I'm ready, James. Okay. $193. I did not get 193. Well, maybe I did. Yeah, I did. I forgot a negative sign. There we go. Okay, so now let's plug it into the rest of the formula. What is the b right now? But you're going to make it plus or minus the square root of all over 2 times. Okay, is 193 a perfect square? No. What do you get down here for your denominator? This is actually going to be a -18. Okay, so we ready? Yeah? -7. Then what? Plus of 193. I'm getting 6.892. Divided by what? Is 0. It says a tenth, so I want 1 decimal place. -0.4. Questions at all? I got one more answer though. How am I going to find it? -7 minus the square root of 193. I got -20.892. James is shaking his head yes. What about the rest of you? -20.892. Hello? No? You all right, William? Not feeling it today? Yeah. Okay, so I have 2 people telling me yes. How about the other 6 of you? Yeah? Okay, divided by -18. So 1.2. Good. All right. 6 is already in order. All right, discriminant, please. Okay. $289. Okay. What's the b up there right now? You're going to turn into plus or minus the square root of 289. Yep. All over 2 times 2. Okay, is 289 a perfect square? It is. What is the square root of 289? Okay, so we now have 1 plus or minus 17 all over 4. All right, how are you going to find your first answer? What is 1 plus 17? Divided by 4. And then 1 minus 17 divided by 4. Questions? Are you sure? All right, so the bottom is what I would like you to complete now, and you should be able to get that done, I would think. If not, it is take home. Okay. All good to go? Okay.